China's influence in Uganda is nothing but a growing trend, and you can really choose from where you want to look. From the 1.9 billion shillings that they are investing in Sinop for oil, to the 1.7 billion shillings they're putting in Karuma dams, or to the $650 million that are going into Isimba, or the 220 that they are putting on the Kampala Express Highway. Now, all this boils down to $3.7 billion worth of Chinese investment in Uganda. But the question is, why are things like this happening? Last week, Ugandan traders in downtown Kampala locked their shops to protest what they say was unfair competition with Chinese traders in the retail trade market. At today's high-level policy dialogue, the Chinese ambassador was invited to participate in improving the relationship between China and Uganda in trade and investment.
The trade volume in 2016 between China and Uganda increased 34.5% and reached $861 million. During the last 5 years, the annual growth rate of the trade volume stands at 12%.
The organizers say that the relationship between the global economic powerhouse and Uganda are important for the future of growth.
The Chinese are some of the leading investors, but also the leading economy in the world. And certainly all countries that are strategic would want to attract Chinese money into their economies. But
while the China-Ugandan relations grow, there's also a worry that the Asian nation's heavy lending to the country will dent the economic progress if not checked.
Our debt is one of the most expensive in the region in terms of the interest charged on it. So the Chinese debt is good, but two aspects: the interest paid, we need to look into it. We need also to look at how do we invest. Those investments, are they efficient? So this calls for good public investment management.
The small traders are complaining that they are competing with the Chinese pet traders. Now, that is not the mistake of the Chinese pet traders. People are being driven by the need to make money, but if they find the country is not well governed, then they are likely actually to mess up the country.
Whichever way the China-Uganda relations go, one thing is certain for sure, that China is here to stay. Or if you like in Mandarin, Songwo Woman. Raymond MUJUNI for NTV.